Vaughn Gittin Jr., President and Founder, RTR Vehicles.
If this comes out with a 60,000 plus price tag, I think that's a big swing and a miss. What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and in great spirits. Like we talked about before, another X650 variant Mustang has been revealed in Detroit. We talked about the Spirit of America GTD. Now we're getting the first ever RTR from the factory built Mustang with our friend Vaughn Gittin Jr. Now I have my opinions on this. We're going to talk about the spec, the look, the reveal, what it means, the price, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, lock in, and we'll look at some footage and we'll talk about it. I have to be honest about some things, but let's take a look at it completely. This is, and again, kudos to Vaughn Gittin Jr. And I said basically he's our modern day Carroll Shelby, right? What he's done, he's a friend of Ford, the aftermarket with RTR, drifting, all the fun, the merch, all the good stuff. RTR is a fantastic ambassador for the Mustang community, and I'm really happy for Vaughn Gittin Jr. and his company to move into this space where now there are RTR Mustangs that you can get from the dealerships now, but they're not built by Ford at Flat Rock. They're built, they're bought and then taken to RTR's plant and then refitted with their front fascia, their wheels, their springs, their spoiler, things of that nature, and then they're sent to the dealerships to be resold as like a Celine or a Shelby American. But now RTR is an official partner with Ford, so that's really cool. That's historic, right? Just to talk about off the bat, full disclosure, I'm not a fan of the wrap. I like wraps, but I think this is more of the drift community and RTR's vision. I'm not sure there's going to get more different kind of looks and colors of the wrap. I think it's creative and cool, but remember, this is the first reveal, so there's more specs to come out officially. I'm excited for RTR, but I'm disappointed it's just the EcoBoost, right? Maybe they'll be coming more down the line with the 5.0, but not only that, it's also going to be, from what I'm told, an automatic only. As you know, the EcoBoost no longer comes in stick shift, so that's in my opinion, a sort of miss, right? So what's going to happen is what was revealed was it's a dark horse with dark horse parts this RTR has in it. So we're going to see if maybe it's a dark horse with just the EcoBoost motor and the cool RTR looks. That'd be kind of cool. My concern about that is if it's a premium EcoBoost with RTR spec, again, are we looking at a higher price tag? The official numbers weren't revealed, but I would think it'd be smart. Now, I hope the official pricing hasn't been revealed, but if you really want to move the needle, this cannot be in the 55,000 plus range. This has to be in the 45,000 to 50,000 max range. I know it's EcoBoost, but I know it's a premium model, but if this comes out with a 60,000 plus price tag, I think that's a big swing and a miss. Not by RTR, but by Ford to do that. I think that listen, I'm not here to totally tell you Ford is not good. I want the brand to do well, especially the Mustang, because like I said, I love Mustangs and I love the brand and what it's meant to my family and my personal life, but you got to call it when you see it, right? And I think that the missed opportunity here is that it's only the EcoBoost, and it appears to be an automatic only. Now, I know it's going to get things like a drift brake, which is cool, but if by evidence of, like, what I personally like, they had a high-performance EcoBoost S550, which I actually personally enjoyed driving. It was a fun-to-drive setup because, of course, it's 200 pounds lighter on the nose than the GT. It's a better weight distribution. So by virtue of that, I can see why the RTR and that community works with the EcoBoost, because RTR community is younger, right? Those kids, I don't want to say kids, but that demographic from like 18 to 35, they like to do stuff like autocross. They like to go to they're more for the visual, right? And that's great. And I think that Vaughn Gittin has that young community, and with the young community, which was me when I got my EcoBoost, I couldn't afford the insurance, I couldn't afford the higher car payment, but I could afford the EcoBoost. So that's pretty exciting. But my fear is, right, what's happening in this segment is the BMW M2, which is really taking off sales-wise, is really becoming a big competition for the Ford Mustang segment. Reason being is that platform still comes in stick. You can get it spec'd in stick. And you can tune it with a downpipe, making 700 plus wheel horsepower, which is impressive for the weight and the balance and all that good stuff. So I think what I would recommend is if they can make this a competitive price point and still offer a stick version, this RTR EcoBoost can be a very attractive spec, right? And so far we said there's going to be more releases, more reveals of the S650 specialty models. We've already got the Spirit of America. We've already got now the RTR, official RTR, so congrats to them. I hope there's more ones coming out. I would love, this is me talking as a fanboy, right? I would love a wide body RTR Drift GT 5.0 from the factory. I think maybe we'll get there eventually. I hope this is a long-term partnership, because those are the kind of specialty models that would really be exciting, right? Where you have the stick shift, you have the drift brake, you have the RTR, just vibe, and I think that would really move the needle. So I'm hoping this is just an entrant variant, but for right now, this doesn't get me as excited as I want to be yet. But I am excited for what the potential can be and will be with RTR officially joining Ford and making a Ford factory RTR Mustang. So congrats to Von Gittin Jr. and his team. So I hope it's a hit, but my caution would be, please don't make it expensive. Please offer a stick shift variant and maybe some different wrap designs, or at least a different color wrap design. For me, it would be cool. But let's see what happens. I'm excited. Tell me what you guys think about the new RTR spec Mustang. Looks pretty cool, and we'll see how it all works out, and we'll go from there. There are more Mustangs coming. I told you 25 is going to be crazy as far as the specs were concerned. We talked about, I keep saying it, but I'm waiting for some information. I'm not getting it as much as I used to. But we're going to see what the kind of Halo Mustang, not the GTD, but the Cobra or the Boss variant that's supposed to be getting a teaser around springtime. So we'll see how that looks when it comes out, and we'll go through all that and all that, what it means. I'm really hoping that is a, I'm thinking that's going to be, and it's just me speculating, and you can comment below what you think. I think for that to be a hit, again, stick shift, supercharged V8, crazy new look and design would really move the needle. So I think we're going to get that reveal 25, and it'll be available 26, 27. So the journey continues. Let's see what else Ford has for us. We're going to keep talking about the S650. A lot of news coming out, a lot of models, a lot of critics. But that's my critique, and my applause to RTR, my critique of the actual spec and what we could do moving forward. Guys, I want you to also, if you stay at the end of the video, big shout out and thank you to the sponsor of this video, Cook's Headers. If you go onto cooksheaders.com website and put in the code for when you go to checkout, Stang Mode 15, all one word, you save a good amount of money, I believe 15% on your headers, and you get the power. That's the headers for all Mustangs, all on their site. Trucks too. Stang Mode 15, get some discounts. I've had Cook's Headers on all my Mustangs, the best of the best quality, best sound, best performance. I appreciate Cook's Headers. So I appreciate the support. Like and subscribe, because you know it never ends. Peace.
Mustang Chief Program Engineer, and Von Gittin Jr., President and Founder, RTR Vehicles.
Was that awesome or what? That Mustang is really fun. You're not having another one? Of course not, Vaughn. I am so proud of our teams and what we have accomplished here. Sorry about that, making sure everybody's awake. We're expanding the range of high-performance Mustangs And there's more than meets the eye, isn't there, Vaughn?
There sure is. We wanted to bring enthusiasts the most advanced, accessible, and fun Mustang EcoBoost possible. And I'm going to go ahead and say it. We nailed it.
We nailed it. Vaughn, how was it like to work with my team?
RTR works side by side with the incredible Mustang engineers on nearly every element of this Mustang RTR. And together, we developed the Mustang EcoBoost of my dreams. With some help and some key parts from the Mustang Dark Horse, there is a lot of passion in this Mustang.
Yeah, and this is only the second time in the 60-year history of Mustang that Ford has co-created a high-performance Mustang with an outside partner.
But collaborating on enthusiast-focused vehicles at this level has been a dream of mine since I started RTR a decade ago. We're very proud of the legacy we're joining and honored that Ford trusted us with this icon. We make an absolutely awesome, awesome team.
We do.
This Mustang RTR is super quick, it's agile, has a few new party tricks up its sleeve, and if I'm honest and humble, it looks so good. It is truly the definition of ready to rock. This Mustang EcoBoost that flips the mindset of the naysayers who think all Mustangs need a V8.
Yeah, and I love our V8. It's amazing, as you know, but I'm so excited for people to get into this performance EcoBoost and see what it's all about.
It's so well balanced in power, weight, braking. It inspires confidence, capability, and fun. You know what I'm talking about. Drifting, autocross, drag racing, and pretty much every other kind of fun you can enjoy on the track. Trust me, once you feel the anti-lag supported turbo power under your right foot, you'll understand why I'm so excited about this car. Yes, friends, I said it, anti-lag.
Damn on, as you know, no specs tonight. We're keeping this preview car tonight under wraps for now.
Okay, well, let's just say you're gonna love the performance of this Mustang, and I think we all can just go ahead and agree right now that the signature RTR style elements will make it turn heads on and off the track. Check the RTR signature lit nostrils, the massive Hyperline brake calipers. There's a new upper grille, new 19-inch wheels with a very aggressive offset to help with the stance and performance. And there's plenty more that I want to share.
But we'll have to save that for another day. All we're saying tonight is the Mustang RTR expands the range of high-performance Mustang choices with performance, agility, and so much fun.